My people, wonder shall never end. We heard allegedly that Olori, Oni of Ife's sisters, them that they don't storm palace with anger, with serious anger, saying that Antigbe will never ever cross the palace of Ile-Ife again. That Kabiyesi must divorce Antigbe. That her own is becoming too much. In short, it's not that it's becoming. Her own don dey too much. It's too much for her. That they can no longer condone her excesses. It's too much. That Kabiyesi must, by fire by force, let Antigbe go. My people, what happened? As we heard it allegedly, that there was a time we heard that Queen and Dr. Elizabeth was spotted at is it a place where they are selling baby things, shopping, something like that. Someone saw them there buying baby materials like baby clothes, bath, everything that baby needs. And that was when we heard that Dr. Elizabeth was pregnant. So we were so happy. Everybody started rejoicing with Kabiyesi and Dr. Elizabeth, saying at least Dr. Elizabeth will now have her own child, so that Auntie Olori TikTok that is making mockery of her that she doesn't have her own child will now say that she's not barren, because there was a time we heard that Olori TikTok even called her barren. So then we were so happy, thanking God that at least one day she'll have her own. My people, that was when we heard again that Aunty Igbi and Aunty Blue was as in quarreling, saying that they must treat Dr. Elizabeth fuck up. Dr. Elizabeth have taken too much. Why is she causing problem to them? Why is it that Kabiyesi will always listen to her? Why is it that she will do this and do that? Everything that she tells Kabiyesi will do it. That she is the brain behind what they said that Kabiyesi sent them out of the palace. That they have tolerated her enough. That they can no longer tolerate her again. That they must show her that na dem be Mama Lawos, because na Mama Lawos dem be. They were ranting and making noise, saying that they must show Dr. Elizabeth. My people, now we going to hear again say, I think after some time they quarrel, they said that thing. We now heard that Dr. Elizabeth have lost her pregnancy. Okay. Now, many people have been saying it that this thing must come from the Oloris, that the Oloris must know what happened to Dr. Elizabeth's baby. So I don't know whether the Oni sister did not hear it then. Is it now that they are just hearing it? Abi is it now that they are just waking up from sleep? As we come dey hear say they were making noise, saying that Kabiyesi, you would divorce Aunty Igbi, that it was Aunty Igbi that made Dr. Elizabeth to lose her babies. I don't know how true it is, now here I hear, and I'm sharing with you. The same way I heard it is the same way I just want to share it with you. Dr. Elizabeth lost her babies. Aunty Igbi knows why and how what happened, that Aunty Igbi must explain what happened and why she and the Aunty Blue have to cause Dr. Elizabeth to lose her pregnancy. That this is becoming too much, that if Kabiyesi did not want to do something, that they are going to use their hands to pack Aunty Igbi's property out of the Olori's quarter. That she will no longer stay in cross the palace, talk more of answering Kabiyesi's wife. That what gave her the audacity. So as she cannot even give birth for Kabiyesi, she will not also allow another person to give birth for Kabiyesi, abi, that this is not going to happen, that they are out to fight. If Kabiyesi no want to do it in a soft way, they are going to help Kabiyesi to do it in a hard way. That Olori Olori Igbi must learn in a hard way. Like they say, the very dark man used to say, you will learn it in a hard way if you don't want to learn it in a soft way. So my correct people, when I heard this one, that Auntie Igbi, you see these three wise ladies. I don't know, like call them wise ladies. Sometimes they don't look too wise to me. They don't look wise at all. Do you know why I'm saying that they doesn't look wise? Why I'm saying this is because had it been they are wise, that time that their brother married a girl that doesn't know anything concerning juju, all she knows is that she knows how to praise her God, she knows how to respect her husband, she knows how to even respect them, they would have played their part very well then to protect her. They wouldn't have looked for someone that be giving them money. They wouldn't have fall for money to allow themselves to hate that Queen Naomi, to the extent that this Oloris was able to succeed in pushing her out of the palace. So this is why I said that they are not wise. So they are not wise women as I saw them, unless they will turn now to become wise. So the three ladies, the three sisters of Kabiyesi, they are now out. They say that Kabiyesi cannot stop them this time. That this is no longer the time that if they try to do something, Kabiyesi will say, you will not do this one. That they must do it. They don't do and finish. That if they not do them, Auntie Igbi will not know that they have mouth even in the palace, that they can say what happened. They are women and they are the daughters of the soil, that they can say something that is not going, they can see something that is not going in a good way and can stop it. So their brother should not even try to stop them. I was like, are you people sure you have swallowed, you have looked at that your nyash very, very well, to know if you can be able to bring out the thing that you want to swallow? So, because Auntie Igbi that I know, if she will not do it, she must go to what did they call it? She must go to their Papalawo and Mamalawo and Babalawo to get something that will even make people to shut up your mouth. If they can go to the palace to bury something that made Queen Naomi not to come back to the palace when she's supposed to come back, your own na come case you. Na pap, in short, your own is there for him palm. Anyway, my correct people, I don't know how they themselves get prepared, but this is what I heard. I was like, the deed had been done. Just that Dr. Elizabeth will be careful with these women and be prayerful as well. My prayers for her is that such a thing will not happen to her again. Thank you, and don't forget that they are all alleged. I was not there. Now here I hear, and I just said let me share with you. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and give my video a thumbs up. Love you guys. Bye.